नेता प्रतिपक्ष है। राहुल गांधी happens to be the leader of opposition. Rahul Gandhi, like any other member of parliament, has taken oath under the constitution to preserve and protect the integrity and sovereignty of our country. और बड़े दुख के साथ एक बात कहता हूं, राहुल गांधी का स्टेटमेंट अभी सामने आया है। मैं पहले राहुल गांधी का जो वक्तव्य है उसको कोट करते हुए, जिससे कि कोई ये ना कह सके कि शब्द इधर उधर हो गए, उनकी मंशा कुछ और रही होगी। और उसके बाद हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने किसी जिम्मेदार नागरिक की तरह एक एक्स पे पोस्ट डाली है, उसके आपके समक्ष रखना चाहूंगा। Rahul Gandhi says, and I quote, "We are now fighting not just the BJP, the RSS, but the Indian state itself." भारत से लड़ रहे हैं। राहुल गांधी जी नेता प्रतिपक्ष भारत के हैं। संविधान जिसकी शपथ ली है वो भारत का है, और नेता प्रतिपक्ष भारत का कहता है कि हम भारत स्टेट से लड़ रहे हैं। राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने जो कहा है यह हर नागरिक के दिल की बात है। एंड आई एम कोटिंग नाउ, "Hidden no more. Congress's ugly truth now stands exposed by their own leader." I compliment is hashtagged Mr. Rahul Gandhi for saying clearly what the nation knows, that he is fighting the Indian state. It is not a secret that Mr. Gandhi and his ecosystem have close links with urban Naxals and the deep state, who want to defame, demean, and discredit India. His repeated actions have also strengthened this belief. Everything he has done or said has been in the direction of breaking India and dividing our society. Every word is what the people of the country are saying today. It is resonating with the feeling of the nation. Nation that is aggrieved, that is hurt, that feels let down by an irresponsible leader of opposition in Rahul Gandhi. And I can very responsibly say, India, Bharat, deserves a more responsible, a more faithful leader of opposition. And truly, it is our misfortune that we have a part-time and irresponsible, immature leader of opposition in Rahul Gandhi, who also happens to be guided by forces like George Soros, forces that are inimical to the integrity of our country. And it would not be wrong to just point out that Rahul Gandhi's words, actions, and his belief itself hurts the sovereignty and the integrity of our country.